So now I'm going to show you the demo of the actual demo, what we are going to do. So for that, let me first go to the, as I have already started with the AWS, right? Sorry, Terraform first. So let me go to the Terraform and let me show you something like code. So it's like, as I said, that it's a very easy to write and scalable at any time. So, and also I mentioned about the infra state, like TF state, that is nothing but Terraform state, right? So, like here you can see the provider, I have written the AWS provider because I'm going to deploy the Terraform infrastructure into the AWS. So, AWS provider has been mentioned here. This part is nothing but it's we're going to save the Terraform state into the S3 bucket. There are some resources I have created like VPC. Some subnet has been created, and then there is a SQL server or something like the EC2 instance. You can say one EC2 instance has been created. Inside that EC2 instance, we are going to install the MySQL server. So all the things has been written over here. The main.tf, right? So now, if we go to the variable.tf, nothing but we are passing the variables over here. We are declaring the variables, and that variables has been used the main.tf. Okay, and terraform.tv tf yards, that is nothing but I have some credentials kind of thing, like secure things, so that I have used as like terraform tv yards. And then if I go to the CI/CD, before that, let me go to the code commit and then show you. There another thing I need to mention, like if we can also use this Terraform directly from our local system, like Terraform init, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. So directly it will be deployed to the your AWS environment. So that will be manual kind of thing. Like if you want to do something like every time you cannot change, right? Like every time, like you cannot perform this manually, right? So suppose today I need a 2 VM, 2 EC2 instance, might be tomorrow might be I need another 2 EC2 instance. So every time manually from your local system, that's very difficult, right? So that's why we're going to introduce the CI/CD, right, on AWS side. So let me like move on to the AWS. So here, this is the code commit. So here you can see that I have created one repository, and then there are all the code I have shown you, right? That has been pushed over here, main.tf and terraform tf and variable.tfs and build spec.yml. So let me discuss this one. So this is nothing but repository, right? Code commit, similar like GitHub or Bitbucket. So this is the AWS managed repository, their AWS own repository. So now let me go back to the code once again. So here you have shown, right, build spec.yml. What is the use of this thing? So it's nothing but if you want to, as I mentioned that before, like AWS code pipeline, right? That code pipeline is like automatically built, automatically like what is that? Automatically release your product, right? So same kind of thing, like here we are going to deploy our Terraform automatically by using this code pipeline. So here when you are going to deploy the code pipeline, so you need to write some YAML code, so for the configuration purpose. So let me like just discuss about this. So here you can see like different phases are there, right? So you have to start with the phase. So which phase you want to going to like mention, like install. Here I have just installed this. This part is nothing but I'm just going to install the Terraform and all, right? This commands I have written, right? This is a similar Linux commands. So now pre-build phase. So whatever you, if you want to give something about command over here, right? Like anything, like I want to use this Terraform init to the pre-build phase, so that I can do, right? I have not used that one. So like build space, Obviously you have to start the Terraform init. Terraform init nothing but it will be going to deploy your local workspace. And what are the things required to perform that particular Terraform task? So all the plugins and all will be background. It will be automatically installed. So, and the Terraform plan is nothing but you can check it out, like what are the resources is going to be deployed to your AWS or any other cloud. So that things will be shown if you use the Terraform plan command. So now post build, obviously we are going to apply, right? So auto approve, obviously if you not use the auto approve, then it will be asking for the approval. So here I am given here pass here argument as auto approve. So there will be no manual intervention. Directly it will be like automatically it will be approved and it will be applied. Okay, so this is the things. Now let me move to again to the AWS. So here you can see, right, code commit I have shown you, right. Let me go to the code pipeline. So if I go to the here code pipeline, so I have already created the pipelines. So if I go here, that infrastructure automated, right. So this pipeline will be triggered when it will be triggered, right. So if I do any changes on my code commit or any code, if I change something in our code and push it to the repository, then only it will be triggered. So let me go here and do something change. Do some changes. Let me do the changes over here itself. Okay. So I'm not going to change anything like writing any new code or something like that. Just I'll be give some changes, like if there's just two space, I'm going to remove the space one, and I'm going to commit the changes, right. When the commit the changes, so author name, let me give my name. Okay, so like what name. Okay, so now let me commit these changes. So once I'll be committing, once it will be committed, so if we go to the code pipeline, it should be start that our pipeline. Mhm. You can see, right, it's in progress, right. You can see it's a succeeded. So on that CI part, continuous integration part has been succeeded. Now it's going to the CD, that continuous deployment. So once it will be succeeded, then we'll be able to see the as I mentioned that, right, there's a EC2 instance and some VPC and subnet will be created. So once it will be succeeded, we'll go to the EC2 instance in the console to the EC2 instance, and we'll be seeing that whether the whatever the things I have mentioned in the Terraform, so that has been created or not. Okay. So let's wait for some time. It will be taking 2 to 3 minutes. Let's wait. Then we'll be able to see that. So in between, let me mention that if you have any doubt, any kind of doubt, you can contact us. And if you, this is like a demo kind of thing, right? A small thing. So if you need, as per your requirement, you can create any kind of pipeline on to deploy your infrastructure or any kind of like pipeline to deploy your software product, whatever. So for that, you can contact us for any time. Okay, so I think it's in progress till now. Okay, let's wait for some time. It will be after 1 to 1.5 minutes. I think it should finish the task. Let me wait for another 1 2 minutes. Let's check then. So let me wait 2 minutes done. So another some minutes to view it. Let's see. Once it's going to show. Still in progress. Obviously, they'll be taking some time, right? If you go to the logs, now you'll understand. So there are a lot of things is going to perform behind the back. So obviously, it will be taking some time. There's not like a single thing is going to perform and it will be creating the things. So there are a lot of things is going to perform. Okay. So now I think it's going to finish right now. Let's check. Good build. Good pipeline. Let me wait for some. Succeeded, I think. You can see right now. Succeeded. It's showing. Yes or no? Build succeeded. So now let me go to the EC2 instance. You'll be seeing that one instance will be initiating. You can see that MySQL instance, right? Initializing. So that's the thing. We can do the perform the anything using the Terraform and AWS ci pipeline. So this is a demo kind of thing, right? There's a small thing, just one instance and one PPC and subnet has been created. So and some security group has been created. Like you can see the subnet, right? And if you go to the security tab, so this private says so this is the demo thing. So now if you have any doubt or if you want to go with your like as per your requirement, so we can provide that. We can work on that and then we can deploy the things for you. So for that, obviously you need to contact us. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye. See you. I'll be coming with another video next time. Thank you. Bye bye.